don't exist.
Don't
So,
exist.
they're all characters that I played, including
Character.
Jim Carrey, including
The Mask.
Joel Barish, including any of those things. They're all characters.
Ace
Jim
Ventura.
Carrey was a less intentional
Canadian.
character because I thought I was just building something that people would like.
Not the cable
But it
guy.
was a character. I played the guy that was
Is
free
he
from concern so that people
Illuminati?
would be free from concern.
Or is he some kind of
You're the
sonic
furthest that anyone has ever been
frequency,
from any human being.
hypersonic
That's what they say.
comedian,
but
legend?
I've never calculated it, so I don't really know. I went around the moon 75 times.
Calculus, trigonometry, numbers, numerology. I'm a clout chasing rookie, YouTube influencing, going through a midlife staged mind virus crisis of thespian to be or not to be. Waking up yet? Is everybody waking up? No? I want to tell you that despite having to be certified level 1 insane in the membrane, I do have PTSD. It's like a long time ago, it was violent home invasion. Almost took me right out. Well, about a basketball, my left eye. I still have double vision. It certainly rattled the pineal gland. That got decalcified. There's other times, though, that it's happened so violently that I have a cure and some intellectual property to fix that societal, global, woke zombie mind virus, Ultra MK. Oh, it's disgusting. SMTDS, social media transmitted diseases, ghosting partner syndrome. Yeah, it's location, name, date, time stamped. With the help of artificial intelligence, OpenAI, and quantum computing, and all the major Microsoft, Facebook, Amazon,